Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel of Forex Surfers for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as minors. And before we get into this week analysis, so this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an education purpose only, not for financial investments. And read carefully all what I have written. And I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to the trade plans explaining here. So this is our watch list. Regularly what we are doing the analysis every week. So starts from DXY. So this is my weekly view. I'll just explain simply. It's very fast. So this is a W, X, A, B and C. The Y and the X is an expanded flat. So we are in that Z wave. So A is already completed here and B is an expanding triangle. So A is completed here, B is an expanding triangle. So we finished that E wave. From here it's already reversed. So now A is finished, B is also finished. After that I'll show you here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can count like this also. Otherwise everything is valid. And from here this is also 5-way structure. After that this is the correction ABC. After that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So either if this is A, B and C means this could be a W. So either this is a A or W and this expanding triangle is a B or X. So we can make it as a W or X. Once again I will just mute. Sorry for that. The road is a lot of disturbance. So whether it is A or W and this is a B or X. So whether it is in 5-way structure, it has to reach this high to break this high 103.82. Otherwise it can be in a WXY format also, another WXY format to complete that Z wave. So from here I just make it as a 1, 2 in the previous, or because of C wave. Now it is making a 3-way structures, and I will show you how we are changing the counts according to the price action. So as of now this is perfect. This is a leading diagonal of wave 1. After that is a 3-way structure, and here also is a 3-way structure, here also 3-way structure. So this is an running flat of wave 2. After that this is also 5-way structure, and again 3-way structure. This is a 5-way structure, and again 3-way structure. This is a 5-way and 3-way and 5-way. So it's everything is perfect from here. And yesterday what I thought is it could continue for that 4th wave and then again 5th wave, and it already broken that. And because of NFP, and it's very bad news. So according to the price action, it's came down. So as per our count, what we expected from here, it just has to bounce from here, but it's still valid. Even though it is still valid, it's a wave 1 here and it didn't make the that wave 1. But even though I'm not so satisfied, so I have looked for that alternative count. So that is the alternative count. Whether this could be an the X, what I explained here, whether this could be a W or A, and this one, the expanding triangle, could be a X or sorry, B or X. So in that category, so if we having a X, so that Z-way can be in the WXY format also. So ABC, ABC, everything, it could be a three waves. So if it continues like this as a bullish, so there is no alternative view, it can continue like that. But here I got an, because in EU, AU, GU, NU, everything it is in different view, and it is all looking like a three-way structure. So in the DXY also, I took it this as a now three-way structure, because I didn't done anything, because I need to explain you at the time of I'm this stream, the making the video. I need to change the way count, how we have to change the count according to the price action. So everything have a different alternative views. Each and Elliott wave trader have a different view. That is why I'm trying to say, don't fix and don't stick to your counts or other counts. It will keep on changing. It's like a chess game. I have told you several times. It's a perfectly chess game. We need to change the wave count according to that price action, and it could be a W or X or whatever it is, a or B, and this could be now it's made as a 1 or A. In past I thought if it is a C wave it has to be in 1 1 1 2 1 2 like that, but now it's looking like a three-way structure. Just have a listen. I will how I am changing this. A B C W X, ABC is a Y is perfect. So now here it could be a wave of 1 or 2, and from here if it is continue like this, we can make it as a 3 4 and 5, and I have already did that same thing, and I have already posted that. It also I shared my view. It could continue like this, but the NFP, the news is bad. So now we have to change. How we have to change? Just remove all those things, and if I did that also a valid count, it's not an invalid. I'm not forcing the chart. So that is why Elliott wave traders, everybody count is valid, but it has to, market has to decide whether that is a valid or invalid. There is no point of losing or we are the winners. It's not like that, right? See, now I'm making this as a A. This stream may be a little bit huge time. Also it can be a very long stream, but you can learn a lot of things from my view. So now this I have to delete. So now this is a so this is a B now, and if it is a C wave it has to be a 5 structure, but it is not now. It is not. It's got a in it's a invalid now. So what will be the next opportunity? So I have, what I did is I have already looked at AU. In the previous it's a triangle, and NZUSD, it is making a triangle now here. So I whether analyzing whether this could be a triangle. Yes, perfectly this could be a triangle. See, now this is A, so we need to simply change this as a B. So A, B, C, D and E. So now we have to remove this W and X. So from here, this is the B, right? You just go for this. The 1, 2, right? 3, 4. The B. So from here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, and here it's a 2, one more 2. I will show you in 15 minutes. Here this could be a leading diagonal, and here it's a one more wave count. So either this could be a 1 2 3 4 5, here it's a B, C, yeah, here is a D, and here is a E. So now this could be a fourth wave. and here it's the fifth wave is completed. So 1 2, so the whole thing becomes a third. So this C could be a diagonal triangle something. So here it's a 1, here is a 1, make it as a red color. This is a 2, this could be a third. One second, I will show you that. Here is a third, here is could be a fourth, or here, and a fifth it could be a wedge formation. So whether this is the third wave or here it is already broken the high, so whether this is the end of the third in the diagonal pattern, what I'm trying to say is in the diagonal pattern, it's not ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, and here is A, B and C could be a 5 here. So this is my, as per my wave count, it's already ended here. Now we are in the pullback. So this is A, B and C, and as per this it's perfectly, it's a 786. So this is a rejection of the B as in a triangle, and a C is already, it's completed in here. So now same count, it is in that Euro USD also. So we will look for that Euro USD. Euro USD, I will show you what I had already before the NFP. I said this is the invalidation for this further bearish count, but from here it is took off and it's already reached that my invalidation zone. It's not it, but it will do. So now it's completely changed. So I will show you here how we have to change from the previous what I had did one of the I think 2 to 3 weeks before itself. I took it as this as a 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a, so this could be a B and C, so this could be a W, it's not a 1 now, or either if this is also a valid, this could be a third, so this could be a fourth as per my previous one. This could be a 1 and 2 3 4 5, yeah, the 1 2 3 4 5. So whether the A is ended here, or B is here and C, or this whole thing becomes A and here it's the B. Now here is the B or AX. After that this is a 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. So this could be a in 1 heart, three, 4, and 5. If it is from here, it is the end, but I'm not to do that. See, everything it is valid only, right? Everything. See, this is also A or B, and this is a W or X. So this could be a 1 2 3 4 5 if it is placed in the B, and we can make it as a C also of the 5 waves structure. And if it is a W and this is the X, this could be a and we are on the B. So if it is the B wave, it won't break this high, right? This is if making this as a W and this is the X, so this is the A, and B won't break this. It don't want to break, otherwise that this also get invalid. So right now what I'm trying to say here is, what is my count here? The first of all we need to look for this. This is the perfect 786. It's here, it's already finished. How we make the DXY like that? See, whether we are watching here, I'll just hide all those things, drawings. We can't find out anything while we are marked this as a 1 2 3 1 2 3, and it get the structure. So this, it could be a, here is the A is 300, so this is an expanded flat as a B, and C is completed. So like that, that is a one structure. And one more what I did, this also holds 5-way structure, and this is a 3-way structure, and this is the A B C, or it could be 1 2 3 4 5 what I said. But what in the DXY it did, like that, I will change all my counts here. Just have a look and you can identify that, oh, this is also a beautiful structure, right? See, this is a perfect, and here it is also a perfect. So here it's A. So what I said in the previous, this is A, so this is the B, okay. Here, one second, be patient. I'll remove all those drawings. So we will make it as a B, and we will here, right? So now it's looking like a different structure. It's a B C D E. So this A, and it is a valid, it is already ended, the B is above the A wave, so it is valid. So as per now, rejection B within this 786 and that 1, so it is also a valid. And how we have to label this, it looks like everything it is right, everything it is valid. See, here is a 1 2 3 4 5 is already ended, and here is a 1, this is a 2, and here is a 3 4, so this is also a 1, it's looking like 1, and this is a 2, and 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this, if it is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3, means 3 is very small, that is not valid. So whether it's all everything it is valid now, it is looking like. But for me, if I went deeply, I will show you that one structure. This whole thing becomes a 1, this is a 2, this is the 3, and this is the 4, and this is the 5 is completed. So this is looking like a wedge formation, C formation, wave 1 is bigger and wave 3 is smaller than wave 1, and wave 5 is also smaller than the wave 3. So this is also, it's looking like a wedge formation, and it is already completed. So this is A, B, and C is got completed. So now we are in that. So now this becomes, whether if it is a diagonal triangle kind of pattern, this could be, we have to mark this as A, B, C as a 1, or we can make it as a W, and we need to trade for the X wave. So X wave means it could be a, because it is a zigzag method, now it is a zigzag, perfect zigzag. So after the 3 wave, whether it is going to a deeper, or it could be a 38.2, and then again it may fall. So anything is possible. But here, if we look in the daily chart, it is perfectly, it's a bullish engulfing, right? So at least we will expect this level again, 1.22. in a three-way structure. So for the next 15 days it could be. See why I am taking that as the 15 days. So after the 15 days, I think it is in the 18th, there is a FOMC meeting minutes. So in that time it may be reverse for that bullish. So that is my view. But what I'm trying to say is my positional view is it has to break this low in Euro USD. So let's move on to GBP USD. So GBP USD also same what I expected. There is no sell in GBP USD. It's looking like a five-way structure is got ended, but this kind of wave structure I show you several times in USD Jpy, sorry, in US 30, and even though it is in that Euro USD, you look this kind of structure. It's a very tough to trade. We didn't know whether when it will over. From here I expected, and again I expected here, again here I expected. What it done? It's all looking like this kind of way. The three-way structure is a very difficult pattern to trade. This pattern, see here. The either thing what we will do in that time, it is making like a wedge formation, and it's already broke out the wedge, and it is in bullish. But what happened here? It's again same formation, right? So these kind of, see, these channel wedges, we can make it the wedge become channel also sometimes. I have shown you that. I'm going for that. Look for my educational post. I will add to post that trend line and channel. Add to post. It's already get ready, and I will post that. I will post soon. I will upload that video the next week. So these channels and wedge formations, it's only for the pattern to identify. It's not according to that. We no need to trade. So here GBP USD, the same thing here. I said my target is 1.3850, right? And this is also one valid count I got, and I already posted the shared my view. This is the strict stop loss. If it crossed this, then definitely it will be, it can touch the 1.4 also. This is the W and this is the X. This is perfect. Now it's a looking like the Y way is an ending diagonal or diagonal pattern. It's all, everything is a three-way structure. A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C is a 2. Now here is the confusion. For me, it's not only for me, for Elliott, if it is a diagonal pattern, look at this 1 2 3 4 5, it could be a here 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be a leading diagonal. That is why I have marked it as A, and this is a running flat of B, and C is also 1 2 3 4 5. So this is also valid five-way structure. So if it is an extended, what I said is ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, 3, all the time third wave is a extended. So A, B, C is a W, X, and here is a perfect five-way structure as a three-way structure, and another one more five-way structure. So this is a W, X, A, B, C. So this is the end of the third wave. And here what I said is looking like a wedge formation. So either it could be a drop, and the invalidation, if it is break the wedge, you need to enter. So what it will be here, if you enter making a stop loss of here, it got hit, right? That is why I'm not clearly, I mentioned that break below that, and it has to be the next day. It's also continue break and close below that wedge formation in the daily. Look at this. This is also closed but not reliable. What is the next day candle? So this, we have to use the common sense. That is why I'm telling you this kind of channel. Be aware of these things, wedge formation and channel formation. So next, what will be that? So as of now, what I said, This could be a fourth wave, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be end of the trend. But the one thing you need to know, whether we already using this as a diagonal pattern. Once it is already, the fourth is got completed here, A, B, C is over. But if you placed this as a 4, we need A, B, C. So this 5 waves become A, this is the B, and we are in the C wave, so one more high is there. But as of now, my DXY and Euro USD, my conclusion is this all not like that. So what will be there? So here, this is the A. See, while you are watching, you can blame the Elliott waves, but the blaming, it won't be, you can make the money. You have to understand the pattern. That's it. Here it's a B, because it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be calculated as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this could be a B, C, W, or this could be a 5-way structure, and this is again a 3-way structure, and here is also a 5-way structure. See, this is a 1, this is a 2, so this is the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after this A, this is also 5-way structure. This is the B, so this is also 5-way structure. So here is the third way ended. That is why I have already mentioned that it has to break this channel. In this also, if it is breaks and close also, here after that it has a lot of chances to go back again for the bullish, because it is the end of the Y, means this could be X, and again Z is also available. So it's a very, very tough. So my conclusion is this is the end of the third, and the fourth, we are in that fourth way. Otherwise the next is, this could be a W also, because A, B, C is a W. But if we are placing it as a diagonal triangle like that, sometimes the third wave can extend. So here it's already extended. So how? It's a perfect 1618. Here is ended for the third wave. So this we can make it as a third. So one more fourth wave is going to end. It is not yet completed. So what it will do is one more, it could be a triangle, or it could be a flat correction. Again it can break this low, and again immediately it can shoot, and this could be a wave 4. So this is the end of the third. So this is the end of the, maybe this is the end of the fourth also. I'm not saying no, it can be a triangle or it could be a irregular flat also. So this 5 is still there to the higher to 1.3850. So if it is A, B, C is the fourth is completed here, we are in the A after the B, so we need be a one more high is possible for that 1.3850. So that is also a possible, and it is not yet broken. So now it is become a channel, perfect channel here, right? Here also some failed, and immediately it bounce back. Here also same thing, and here also same. So this is wedge become a channel. You need to understand that. So now my view is it has to reach at least 1.3850 to 1.4 or 1.42 maybe. And mind that if we are in that Y wave only, it could still extend to Z also. Still the Y wave is not yet completed. Mind that, and you have to trade like that. And if it breaks this channel, close in the daily, and the next day also a bearish, then you can take a trade. Otherwise you will lose that trade. So here you need to be awareness. So next, AUD USD. So AUD USD also. Here A, B and C. So I have already posted, shared my view. So this becomes a W now, or it could be a 1 also if it is a diagonal triangle. So it can be running flat, means it won't break this high, and if it is expanded flat it can be. So now it could be a correction still here, and then it has to down. So if it is breaking the high also above the B, it is also valid, but not to break this. So this is the strict stop loss for the further downside. So it could be a running flat, or it could be an expanded flat above this level also. So now I am looking for the DXY has to come down. So at that time, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, gold, silver can go high. So let's move on to New Zealand USD. So here also I have explained that New Zealand dollar also. Here A, B, C is W, and here A, B, C, D, E. So if it is X is a triangle, it has to come down in a three-way structure. But see, Australian dollar came down a little bit than NU, but NU is not yet come to the downside. So whether if it is a WX, so ABC, it's a bearish, but the triangle could be a break in either side. So if it is a B way is a triangle, so this becomes W, right? So this three become a W now, and this is a B, C, so D, sorry, 1 second, yeah, this is a means this is the another A, B, C, D and E. So here we need to be A and B here. So A, B is a triangle, C. So this whole thing becomes a three-way structure. Here also three-way structure. Here is also a three-way structure. So either this could be X way as a triangle to the bearish, or B way as a triangle for the bullish, but it no need to break this high. Everything it is in the flat correction, whatever it is a three-way structure. Again, one more three-way structure has to happen, whether it is a X way triangle or a B way triangle. So that is my I have already written. You try to understand that and you just learn only for that. Don't trade according to this. This is a triangle. If you are looking like according to that correlation to any other pair, and you think this is a bearish only, you have to place a stop loss here. You need to enter in short. Or somebody it's looking like a bullish, means they need to enter from, if it comes here, they need to place a stop loss here, and then they need to enter for that long. So what I have to do is, I will be in sell side only. So either I will watch whether if it is breaks the high, I will add my position, one more position, or if it breaks this low, at the time I need to enter. So that will become A, and then again B, and then again C. So allow this, and if it breaks this, watch the wave formation and then try to enter in that 15 minutes chart or 5 minutes chart, whatever. You can switch to zoom in and read the wave formations, and then you can enter. So this is my view in New Zealand dollar. So next we have to watch that USD Jpy. So USD Jpy is also, it's now the previous stream also, the 15 days before. Last week I didn't done because I am in out of station to my native place in my hometown. And here what I said is, this is become A also. After that it has a lot of chances, if it didn't break, if it failed from here also, it can come to the downside. That is also valid. So now it's already broken this high. So now what I'm trying to say is, this is now it got invalid. So we can make a stop loss of this. We can be in buy side. So five-way structure could be a 1. This is a 2. So we are in the intermediate wave. It's a 3, 4. I have already said, and this is the end of the wave 1. and we are looking for the 2. So that could be a very small also, or it could be a deeper also, because these are all intermediate way. Why I'm looking for 1 2 1 2 means I had placed this as a, so this as a B. So I'm looking only for the C, so that could be an ending diagonal also, C wave. So we can make it as a B, C like that also. But for the further, then only we can convert into that diagonal pattern or what kind of formation it is going to happen. So it is still it is in a deeper correction, means it can reach this zone again 103.9, and again it can shoot. Otherwise, if it is a JPY is so weak, means it can be bounced from here also. So here for the reference, you can make it this as a channel also here, and copy that, so clone that, make it this as a channel. So whether if it is breaks this channel, it's fine, and if it is struggling to from here, it can took the support as this, but don't trade according to this trend line. If it hit and again you don't buy, count the wave formation. Just I'm explaining that channel could be like this. So now you are going to USD Chef. So USD Chef also, see, I had already did from here, it's as a third and fourth has to go up, but from here itself it got a rejection. So how it looks like, it could be at end of the third wave here, this could be a fourth wave. So 5 wave is already ended, and this is the wedge formation kind of thing, and it's already broken, and it looks like so bearish. We can make it as a, see, this is a fully bearish, perfect bearish thing. So what I'm, because I have set already the DXY, right, it has to have giving the pullback. So at that time this could reach around 8850, or it could be a 8920, because this is also 5-way structure, this is also 3-way structure, and this is a 5. So this could be A, B, C, and further downside is, means as of now for me I'm not looking for that, because it's already, it is in reversed for me, because this is a W, this is a X, and Y is in a diagonal triangle pattern. So A, B, C as a 1, A, B, C as a 2, and here is A, B, C. The third way has got extended, so I placed it as a W, and X is a triangle, A, B, C. So this is end of the third. After that, the 3-way structure is the fourth. Here I said it's a confusion, right? So whether if it is the fourth, this is the A, this is the B, and there is a lot of chances for making a one more low, and then again it can go back, right? But here in that daily, sorry, yeah, in this daily chart is a perfect doji, and this is a 3-way structure also did. So this is the A, B, C, it's a zigzag pattern also. So usually the B way did that zigzag. So at the time of what I said, the gold silver can go high, and UJ also little bit pullback, UHF can be a high also. So in the weekly also it's looking like it could be, what I'm trying to say is it could be, I'm not saying no. So either it could be a 1 2 1 2 like that, or just listen, this is the, if this is the end of the fourth wave, means this is the end of the fourth wave means A, so this is the B, and C is completed. But this, the fourth wave is ended here, means 1 2 3 4 5 is A, and this is the B, and C is one more down to break this low, and again it can go back for the bullish only. So mind that here, and this channel, it's also here, it's a 1 2, yeah, perfect, it's a 1 2, so this is a 3, so this could be a fourth also. So here is a fourth, or here it is a fourth. So if it is the fourth wave, means this is the A 5 structure, B and C can go down. Otherwise it can shoot from here itself. It could be a wave 1 2 and 1 here, one more 1 2, or it could be a third wave end, it could be a fourth wave. It could, I will show you that. We'll remove this. It can do like this, and again it can go back. So at that time, this is the fourth wave, and this could be a fifth wave of 1. So this is also possible. So this is what we need to look for every time. Just we are entering, that means, that is why if that 3-way structures got over, we need to book the profit and just wait for that wave pattern to. So I'm doing it as a swing trading. So whether if it is coming to the downside, we know the pattern, so we need to enter, and then we work for that bullish scenario. Otherwise from here, if it is means, we need to watch and we need to allow, right? See, only the traders can know the value of the money, but if while you are losing the trade, you know the value of the money. And if the analyst, means if I'm an analyst and if only I'm doing that YouTube, or I'm giving the signals to anybody, just for example, I'm for the sake of saying, I just keep on watching the wave formation. You just give the enter here and you can book the profit here, and it is the fifth way, it has go to upper side. So anything I can do, right? But as an analyst, we can keep on changing, but we can't we didn't know that value of the money. Only the traders, if you lose the money and how you have to recover, that mindset you have to build. So only while the trading, only you can know that value of money and value of the trade. So which trade we need to execute. So for example, this, we don't know whether this is A or 1 and B or 2. So just wait for that, 786. For example, AB is equal to CD pattern. You just exit. If you are an intraday trader or a swing trader, it's a small swing, right? Say how much pips you will get. It's 88.40. It's a 90.40, right? 200 pips, right? Just exit. That's it. Or if it is not going to 200 pips, just book the 50 here and wait for that to invalid. So then only you see. And how you will trade this, we need to watch what kind of wave formation, whether it is going aggressively to the downside or whether it is making a 3-way structure. So like that we need to watch. It's not simply analyze it. See how I have changed that Euro USD and DXY. For everybody it's looking like a different, and for me it's look like different, and again it is changed to that triangle, right? I have changed here. So now it is looking like simple. This is a A and this is the B and this is the C. But before that, what kind of confuses? So whether this could be a running flat and this is the C and I'm looking for one more C wave. After this rejections only we come to know the other pattern. Until it is valid, if it is get invalid, then only we are searching for the alternative counts and our mind will be search for the other alternative counts. Until that we will stick to that other. That is why the Elliott wave traders are blaming the Elliott waves, but I won't do that. I love that Elliott waves. It's a real chess game. We need to change the according to that market. Otherwise we can't earn successful and consistent money in here. So let's move on to USD Chef. We already did, and 1 second, we will just look for the watch list. New Zealand did. USD Cad we need to do. USD Cad. See, USD Cad also it's doing the three-way structure. This is a five-way structure, this is a three-way structure, and again this is looking like a five-way structure, right? So whether what will be the next, it's looking like a triangle. So whether it is a triangle or what, we can't know anything. Just wait for the formation, wave formation. So this is a W, means A, B, and this is a C. See, in previous it could be like this also, and if it bounce from here, that could be a triangle. But now it's already broken and we are consistently rejecting this zone, and it is not here, this channel. How I make this channel? Just click this. We already placed and joined here and here and here, right? So just clone this, place this, right? So I will remove this. So consistently we are getting the rejection here. So whether this could be a B, C, and one more D can do that, and E, and then again it can shoot. Otherwise, if it is a W, A, B, C, D, and from here it can be a bearish triangle. So at the time this is A, this is the B, and C. So this is a W, this is the X, and after that only A, B, C to shoot. So this is my view in UCAD. So either we have to be in buy side, that I'm damn sure. From here itself, if it's again reached this zone of 1.227 in this zone, otherwise if it is a break above this high, we need to be in buy side. So let's move on to, first I will show you one the USD SGD also. So here also, so these are all not in our watch list, but I'm doing that my personal wave, because I want to do only that I just in previous I was did, but nowadays I'm doing all the pairs only for the intraday, but I'm not showing that those roles. But I'm just added that Australian New Zealand also in the 15 days before that stream, and that Australia New Zealand also I'm doing. So these are all for just for sake of how I'm doing that. See, this is the 5-way structure, it's A or 1, and this is the 2 or B, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is also I just got on yesterday only. Before that I did done anything. I just keep watching that, and if I get rejected here, immediately I thought, okay, right, this is a triangle. So how it would be possible, and this is an C wave. So whether this is A, B, and C. So this is a clone that here. So within this channel it is traveling here. We can adjust that. Yes. Yeah. It could be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, it could be a X, or it is keep going 3-way structure. We need to wait for that. So I am in buy from in the zone itself, in everything. So what else? Next AUD, yeah, AUD Jpy also. See, what I said, from here it has to do like this, and but it failed. It failed to make this high. So what is mean by that? it is doing something irregular flat, or this is the connecting wave A, B and C. So this is the connecting wave, and again A, B and C. So this is the end of the trend here. So that is why what I said, expecting this, don't take the trade here. If it is in sell, looking only for the sell, what you have to do, only if it comes here you need to sell, otherwise don't do anything, just keep on watching also saves the capital. So now this could be a Y, and what I said, the next, if it is continue for the Z, it can continue, right? So this could be a X now for the continue of the Z. So what it will be, ABCA, ABCB, and here also it's looking like a three-way structure, here also three-way structure. So now if it didn't break this, it's a 1 pip is away. So either it could break this, sorry, either break this, and again it will do like this, and it will do like this. So what it will be, triangle. So A, B, C, D, and after that it can took off. So the whole thing become triangle, and these are consolidations here. So still upwards. So from here, if it is breaks this channel, so simple, it's see here, it's just join the channel and just clone that, place that, right? Now delete this, and same thing I placed here. So it is accepting this, it's getting rejection. So now it will be the support, and it will took off from here for that another Z wave. So A, B and C. So if you look this, what you will think, simply 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But what inside that, it's a different, it's not simply labeling. After finishing we can do anything. Simply they will do, right, the 1, 2, so 3, and this is the fourth consolidation, and then fifth way, it's already completed. But what you did inside, right? So that is trading, is a different, analysis is a different, but we need to execute both analysis and the trade. Trader come analysis is a very difficult, whether you are analyzing and the trading, and it won't be like that. Psychology will affect you. You need to go ahead. The psychology will become, one day you will be a robot. Just if you see the pattern, you just execute your trade. So it will take time, you just give the time for that. I'm also doing like that, but not that much aggressively, but my personality is like that. So let's see, next is New Zealand Cad. See, New Zealand Cad, what I said, I'm not so satisfied with this kind of triangles, I said. So this is the A, and it's a straight, and what I said, this is looking like a correction, and it is doing an irregular flat, and after that it's bounced. So this is the target is got achieved here. After there, see, at perfect from here, it's looked like a impulsive, but here also I looked that, but it didn't done that 3, 4. So from here itself, in this zone, it's confused. So either 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is got ended here, and here is the third wave, this is the end of the fourth wave, or here we need to go for that intermediate of the 15 minutes or what, and then it is a fifth wave got over, or this is the end of the third wave here, this could be a fourth, and this could be a fifth. So because I didn't done anything here, I'm not trading this, just now I'm watching here. So now one second, yes, 3, 4 or 3 or 4, whatever, you can keep this 5. So this is 1 and this is an impulsive, so 1 is completed. So we are in that A, B, C, B, C. So here it's on A, B and C. So second wave is completed here, and we are in that third wave, in that C wave. So what is that regular, what you have to do with the stop loss? You can make it this as a stop loss, but for the positional target you need to make this as a stop loss, because we keep this as a wave 1 and this is the wave 2. Once it crossed this high, then you can change your stop loss to here. If you change the stop loss now itself here, after that three-way structure, it can come like this and then again it can go. So once if it breaks this high, you can bring the stop loss to here. So until this is the safest stop loss. So what else? Yeah, Euro, New Zealand, and I will show you the CAD JPY. It's nothing. It's the same thing what I had said in that GU. It's looking like the wedge formation only. The 4-way, 4 Hz. It's doing the same. See, in previous I said from here, look at this. This is a perfect, right? And what here it did? It's a fake breakout. What all the traders called as. It's a fake breakout, and immediately it went. Right? So here, whether this is a W, X, A is a 5-way structure, and B. So we are in the ending diagonal. So ending diagonal means A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or C is a wedge formation 1, 2. So it's looking like ABC is a 1. Like we can mark it as a 1. So whether this is a 2, so this is a A, so ABCB, and this is not yeah, C. So whether this is the whole thing becomes A, so these are the B, and C, this is the now the end of the third wave, or it could be A, B and C. This is the third, means the third wave. So here it is the fourth wave. So after one more ABC is there. So whether it is already completed. So now what we have to do is we need to change the channel. So whether this is a wave 1, wave 2. So this is a, yeah, this is the A. So this is the B. So C is the third wave here. So ABC is a fourth. So one more A, B, C, B and C. One more high can be possible. So at that time, see, mind that this is A, this is the B and this is the C, means third will become here. Or this is the end of the third wave, means here, because it's already broken the high. So that is valid for the third wave. Fourth wave, A, B, C is the fifth wave, and you are looking for the short. And if you make the stop loss of here, if you do the stop loss here, and it will hit your stop loss, and then again it came down. Why? Means what I said, this could be end of the third. So after this fourth, or here, it could be A, B and C. and immediately it came down. So what all the traders will blame? It hit my stop loss and then it came reached our target. No, this is the possibilities. We have to think all the possibilities, right? So this is my view in that CAD JPY. No other view in this, but I'm not trading this. That day itself I told you, right, lot of possibilities is there. So we will move on to Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand also, and I had a from here the previous what I said is this is a expanding triangle in the B wave, and what I looked here is this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is a wave 3, and wave 4 and wave 5 has to come down and then it has to shoot, right? So what it did, I'm expecting for this, and immediately it did this one, and I got FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. So what I said, so whether this could be a end of the fifth wave, and immediately I posted whether this is the end of the trend and we are in that bullish, and immediately I shared my view, but I didn't buy. What I said, whether if it is reaching here, we need to buy, making the stop loss of this for expecting the high, and if my special uh, trading style is if it breaks this, definitely you have to buy. Here if you buy, it can hit like this. That is why I will always buy. You allow the A, make the B, and above the A, this what you call it as. Next you have to buy above this. That is a safe. So what we think here, it is looking like a bullish, so in the three-way structure, but what I said, it is in the three-way structure only you need to buy. But after here, this is not looking like a three-way structure. It is not reliable, but because this flow, it's a kind of third wave, and after this it did a five-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5. So immediately I come to know that, and what I did is I didn't buy anything. I just bought here. Immediately I place the stop loss here. If it goes here, I will be in bullish and it will be in profit. If we hit the stop loss, it's just a mind of 20 to 30 pips. We need to buy, and immediately it hit the stop loss. It bounced and immediately it hit the stop loss. And after that, I look. It is an entirely different view. It is not a triangle. Once again, I will delete all those things. And how it looks now, this is the end of the A now. So this is the B, and C is completed here. It's look like that. See, I'm not coming to a conclusion yet now. It looks like 1 2 3 4 5. Here is a 1, so here is a 2, so 3 is ended here, and 4th is ended in here, and 5th. So it looks like the five-way structure is got over, and here immediately I bought here in this zone. I bought, making a stop loss here, and what I said here, one more low is possible, because how I said means this could be an irregular flat also, and again it can be a one more low also. So You need to be very awareness. That is why the Elliott waves, I have learned a lot of things in the Elliott waves like this, because lot of possibilities we have to took. See, if it is a, you need to pick exactly bottom. We can't pick the exact bottom. Sometimes we can, or sometimes we can't. It's around 50 pips. But if you pick that 50 pips also, immediately if you look place the stop loss to the low, if it sustains, it will be a huge risk reward, right? In previous I won't place any stop loss. Right now also I'm doing like that, but not for either New Zealand, because I have one more different view. In previous what I said, I took it this as an impulsive, but the wave of formation it's doing like this, it's not, for me it's not satisfied. I said, right, sometimes it's looking like a 1 2 3 4 5, and immediately I told from here it has to bounce. If it bounce from here, it is valid. But again, and keeping grinding to the lower side means it's entirely different. So I stick to, now it's, I have changed this a W and this is the X. So this is A. So the whole thing becomes a ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2. And here one more doubt is whether this is A, B, C. Third, A, B, C is a fourth, and A, B, C is a fifth. So it could be like this, or what else is the next one, the third wave, the whole thing becomes, say, 1 2 3. Sometimes it's look like a fourth wave, but I'm not saying this is a, it's look like perfect five-way structure. I show you several times. So if this is a fourth wave, so if is the end of that fifth, because it here it's also not satisfied with the five-way structure. See, these are 1 2 3 4 5. So how it will be 1 2 3 4 5? So where is the next bottom? So I'm not so satisfied with that. So what I'm expecting here is, if the third way is extended, means we need to make it as a W. This as a W. This as a X. So A, B, C. Then what it will be? This is the end of the third wave. So what we have to do here, we have to do the third wave, and this one will become fourth wave here, and immediately whether it could be here or here. So fourth wave, and one more way to the downside is also possible. So if it happened like this, whether it is going to make happen like this, or it could be doing like this as a fourth extended, this is a W, X, A, B, C is a third. After that we need to watch here, then only we come to know whether it is a bullish or bearish. So if the third wave is ended here, and this is the end of the fourth wave, and if it is broke the already high but immediately it came down, so whether from here it is, if it bounced very aggressively, then only we come to know whether it is a bullish. So this is the end of the trend. But still, if it is graining on three-way structure, means there is a lot of possibilities for the fourth wave here, and one more ABC to the fifth wave is also there. So mind that is a one more. And one thing is Australian New Zealand dollar, as I said, perfectly it did, and immediately I bought exact low at 1054, I think, yeah, 1054554 I have bought, and immediately I place the stop loss here. Just hold that, because as per my analysis I have already explained that. Yeah, see, before that thing happens, I already told this is the fourth wave and fifth wave has to happen. After that, this is the second wave, we need to place a stop loss. See, stop is 3. We are expecting for the third wave. Just play the button. It did, and immediately it bounced. I said no, only the 20 pips is my stop loss as of now. So I took nearly 115 pips so far. I didn't book anything. I just holding that. Because if it is 1 2 3 4 5, this is a 5-way structure and this is a zigzag ABC. So what is the next? Is a third wave, right? If it, as per my analysis, my positional view is this is a B C, and this is not looking like a, I said I'm not so satisfied with this, and this is looking like a correction. It's a whatever you call WXABC. So this is the end of the B wave, and this is an expanded flat. So A, B, and we are in that C wave did already 5-way structure. So in either case, what I'm trying to say is either case, if it is making the another 5-way, you just exit your position, and if it is go above this high, you can again add. That only I will do. This is a 3-way structure, perfect 5-way structure, and it is here did the already 3-way structure. So immediately the 5-way structure has to happen. So execute your trade, add within the second wave, and again looking for the third of third, or it could be a B, and C also. So anyway, I'm looking for the target above this level, 1.9. So nearly 400 pips is there for me. So this is the one more trade I am already having that. So at the time of what I said is in Euro New Zealand, if it bounce also, New Zealand has to come down. I think so. This week New Zealand is very weak. I think so, because in Australia, New Zealand dollar it has going to high. So at the time Euro New Zealand also, and I don't know what about the New Zealand Cad. What I said, whether it is going to be a shoot, means the Cad is going to be suffer, right? Otherwise it can do like this. So let's see. And what else is next? I think it's getting too late. So US 30. See, it is everything. It's all three ways, right? It's tough, very tough. If it is making a 3-way structure in the C wave, it's a diagonal pattern only. And this is a wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 also. Mind that this is A, B, W, X, A, B, and C. Or else this could be a 1 2 3 4 5. So this could be a 1, the whole thing becomes a and this is a B. So whatever it is, so whether if it is a 1 means I'm looking for the 2 little bit deeper correction, it won't be like this, I think so. So still now it is above the A, 32 33 is my target. So because if it is an 1 second, if it is an irregular flat, it could, yeah, it could travel up to 33 also. It has a chances, and again after that it can be because if it is a 4th wave ended here, means we are in the 5th wave, but 4th wave is still there, means we are still again in the 5th wave. So whether it is looking like A, B, C, so at least we need, if it is a sorry, here A, so B, so C is 34. So here is 1.414 is also a 34, and here is a 34. So within this zone, it has to get rejecting. It has to get rejected. So mind that 32,900 to 34,900 within this 2000 zones. So make it auto. And here I said this is a short-term invalidation zone, but what happened? It's hit and it is invalid now, but the positional invalidation, that is the thing you need to note. So this is a ABC is a 1, so the whole thing becomes a, I have explained that A, B, and C. So this is the wave 2, it's a diagonal pattern, or this is a B, C is a W, and this could be a X here because it didn't break the low, so the X is still valid, and we are in the A, So after the rejection of the B, we will be in seeing that for the third wave to the higher side. Still it can go high, but it has to break the high, then only it is confirmed. Until that, making the stop loss or making this as a stop loss, you can make a buy. So still I'm looking only for the bullish in the stocks. So Bitcoin, yeah, this was my previous. So WXABC. So if it is a Y wave, X wave may be a triangle, what I said, or it could be a irregular flat. ABC, it can be like this also. But what it happened? That is market. It won't valid our count. Once I'll show you here. Once the three-way structure is got over, we need to be very alert. Once the three-way structure is got over. That is why I said it has to break this low. Otherwise, till there will be a consolidation and then bounce to the downside. But it already broken the this channel trend line. Sorry, bearish trend line. So now what I thought is it could be rejected from this zone as a parallel channel, and that is also broken now. So what else is, even though, one second, yeah, I'll hide this. This is a W, right? It's a Y, so this is a W. So we need A, B, C. Here is a W, X, A, B, and C. But it won't be like that. Market, it won't give like that. What it will happen here is, if you what it will do like this, and immediately it can be in three-way structure again. After that, it can be like this, or if it is a triangle. So what I'm looking here is I'm looking only for the fifth wave got completed here. All the fifth wave. One second. Yeah, the daily. So I took it this as a B, C, D, E. So E is a triangle. What I'm looking for here is a little bit to come to the downside E, but it's already ended in the triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got ended. So once this as a, this as a B, C is got completed. So whether it is making a W and X is a little bit deeper, so that we have to watch. So what is my conclusion now is whether it is going to drop like this and another making one more high, or it could make a high of this to break above the high. It will took all the stop loss and immediately it can drop. After that, three-way structure is completed, immediately it will get drop. So that could be an expanded flat, or it could be a running flat, and then again it can go above. So here only there is a one more low is possible until if it didn't break this high. Otherwise, if it breaks the high, it may or may not. But we need a bigger correction. We are in the bigger corrections. It won't go immediately because it's already give the correction. So it has to be like this type of correction. I may or may not. So there will be a bigger correction. It's going to happen. So, and this is now it got invalid now. So A, B, C, now we are in that another B wave or X wave. So W, so X, A, B, C is a Y. Okay, so this is the end of the W now. So we are the X, so one more A, B, C to break this. If it breaks the high, that could be a running flat, means it won't break the low, but it will be, it won't break the high, but if it breaks means that will be a expanded flat also. So let's move on to the gold. So gold, as per our thing, is doing good. So whether this is a 5-way structure, still now this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So mind that this is not that wave. That is why I have marked the question mark. whether this is a W, X, A, B, C, or this could be a leading diagonal of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after this is a strong correction, sorry, impulsive wave. This is a three-way structure. It's already broke the high, and immediately we are in the downtrend. So what it will do is one more low, so that will become the C wave, and after that it can be go above this high, because this is a structure is got ended. So we need a three-way structure, or it could be a triangle also. If it didn't break the high, so this could be a triangle also. So a lot of opportunities is there. Or if it breaks the high, sorry, if it breaks the low, and immediately it can bounce. So that is also possible for that irregular flat corrections. So here we need to watch, because UJ, what I'm trying to say, UJ and UHF may be a little bit that USD is getting weak, means it can be bounced also. So if it is the end of the trend, because sometimes I'll show you here, sometimes it looks like one hour chart here. It's a three-way structure, A, B, C. So W means this could be a X, and this could be a and this could be a B and C here. B is also a B, C, D, E. So here we need a five-way structure, but it is not yet done. It's a looking like a three-way structure. So this could be a, or ABC is a W. So this is a X. So this could be a B, and C. It could be completed, or it could make a one more high, a little bit, and then it can be come like this also, but not to break this low. If it breaks the low, then this high may or may not can reach. But if it did break this low, there is a lot of chances to reach this 2000 again, because it's correlated to silver. Somebody has told silver is a short quiz on the last Saturday. I got a message from one of my friend. So silver is going to shoot for the 100K. Sorry, it's $100. So whatever, I don't know about those things, but it's already broken the high. The previous high was already broken, and my stop loss also got hit. What I did here is I shorted at the 20, yeah, 26, 27, I think so. 27 I short, and immediately I placed the stop loss here, and it got hit. Immediately it came down. But why I make the stop loss means, if it is I don't know about those things of a short squeeze or long squeeze or whatever it is, but if you see that GameStop one stocks, and a lot of stocks like that, it's nowadays it's a one group of people are going to manipulate. I don't know what about, and I'm not understanding that, but I need to save my capital. That is why I have placed the stop loss. So once if it hit the stop loss, there is a still one more way to the high is possible. So that means here is the end of Y. See, once again, silver, yes, A, B, C is a W, X. So here A, B, C. So this is the end of the Y wave. You mind that W, X, A, B and C. So after the W, X, Y, and after that this could be a X. So A, B and C. This could be end of the Z also. So I'm totally confused with this. Now it's already broken that. So sometimes it looks like, okay, whether it is going to make a one more after this low. It can be as a 22 or 20 or 1 or 23 like that, because if it is an irregular flat, if this is an irregular flat, we need to be like this. It has to be like this, and then only it has to shoot to the above. But if I will reanalyze in the deeply, and then I will share my view, because I'm not sure about this, whether this is a ABC is a W, X, ABC is a Y, so Z is over, or what else. So I need to check this, and then I will show you that clear view. So until that, there is no trade in silver. So I think I covered everything. Like, so gold, silver, yeah, crude we need to do. US oil. US oil is shorted at 57.18. Here I shorted. So before that also, going in that NFP, I have already showed, and I have already shared that my view. Before that, it's, see, from here itself I said it is going to, this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. Once the high was broken here, it is going to make a $57. I said the 56 to $57. See here, so $57. So clear is watching carefully. This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is a wave 3, and this is a wave 4 need to happen. I said from here itself it is going to happen, like the third wave to end, and for the fourth wave, and the fifth wave has to happen. So what it did, it's a little bit go above the high, make a three-way structure for the fourth, and from here it bounced. So here it is a mistake. It's not confused, because the trend once going to end, sometimes it will be a clear five-way structure, and it could be a diagonal five-way structure. The C wave can be a wedge formation, or it could be expanded thing of a wave formation. So what I'm expecting is 57.42. It can be 57.424, and again it can come down. So here I watched in that 5-minute chart from here itself. So wave 1, because I took it this as a diagonal, 1, 2, 3, so 4 has to come, and then again it has to shoot for the fifth wave. Exactly, it did the same what I expected. See, it came down here, right? ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, here ABC is a 4, A, B, and C is a 5. And keep on watching. Exactly I did here 57.18 or 14 something, and immediately did a 5-way structure. So now it is in consolidation. So even though I have placed the stop loss at 58, so 57.14 I shorted, so nearly 85 cents. So its maximum is a $1, because for $1 also it's looking little bit. We have to give the room for breathe, because it's no need to, because I'm expecting it has to reach $51. I'm expecting at least $51. So from 57 to 51 $6, I need to at least pay to room to breathe for the $1 stop. If it hit, no worries about that, but again if it is coming to the downside, we need to catch. Why means this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got ended. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is also got ended. It seems like that. And if you switch to this is a 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is a 1, 2. So this is the 3. This is the 4, 5. So this is also the 5-way structure is got over. So the whole A, B and C, it's got over. Now what is that? 50% of that move, at least 38.2. So what is the 38.2 retracement for this 0 to 57, right? So minimum is 35, 30, 35, 65. So the previous support, it has to reach here. So let's see, because it's a three-way structure as a zigzag, whether it is continuing for that. See, right now we make it as a B and C, but sometimes what it will do is it could make a three-way structure for the fourth, or it could be a triangle for the fourth and then again fifth. So at that time this whole thing becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the A become here. As of now everybody is looking for the three-way structure, but it could be a fourth wave and fifth wave. It can make a five-way structure also, right? It's not compulsory to make a three-way structure. So let's see, that is why I have placed it at 58. Let's see whether if it is holds, no issues. But in the 38.2 of this structure, one second. For this move, 38 structure is 48.2, and this is a 23, means that is why the I told you, right, the 51, at least it has to reach the 51 if it is 23.6 in that triangle pattern. So we need to watch for this pattern, and then we have to decide whether we need to keep this, keep adding, or whether we need to book the profit and then you can exit, right, if it holds this. So let's see. So I think I finished, yeah, all pairs. So nothing is remaining. Yeah, I did. So thanks for watching, and uh, trade safe. So have a nice weekend and have a nice profitable week for the coming week. So we will see you in the next week for analysis for all the pairs. What we did now is updated. So until then, is the NMK Vijay. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, and thanks for commenting. So have a nice weekend. Have a nice day.